Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recall send emails in Outlook. It's really simple and easy. So in Outlook, you can recall send emails if the recipient is also using Outlook and is a member of your organization. In that case, you can recall the email by heading to send items in the left menu. Here, click the email that you want to recall. Then head across to the open email and click the three dots in the top right. In the list, you can scroll down and select Advanced Actions. Then you have to choose Recall Message. Click OK in the dialog box to confirm, and you should see a notification confirming the request to recall the message. To view recall report, click on the notification, then click View Message Recall Report. The recall request should be listed in the pending tab, but after a few minutes, refresh the page and you should see the request listed in the recall tab. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to recall send emails in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.